How to fix Minecraft lag easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft lag easy and quick. First, just type here Minecraft launcher, go to app settings. Now all you need to do, just scroll down until you find here terminate, click on it and then click repair, and that's it. Now close it. Let's move to the next step. Just go to settings, go to gaming and then click Xbox bar and turn it off, and then go to game mode and turn it on, and go to graphics settings, turn it on. Now just restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.